when you have mastered the basics of a weekly layout, but frankly, only Transformers 4 and 6. To achieve a true marshalling station or compact hub, that's too limiting. It's time to design your solution. 6 cm gauge sheet crossing fork rail, step 1 reshaping to bed accuracy. From this moment on, align the orbits parallel. The inner rail fits perfectly. Precisely mark the position of the bed to be trimmed. It has reached a distance of 6 cm. Only the lateral track bed maintains surgical grade accuracy. Keep the excise fragments. They will become subsequent external connections. Step 2, bed cutting, key cutting points. Shorten the inner rail at the track junction. Repeat the measurement. Cutting right-angled sections is a hard requirement. When the bed is finished, use the track connecting piece of code 83 to connect the 2 sets of No.6 fork rails. Make sure the connection is smooth. Here, to avoid getting into bed uncomfortably, we cut out the plastic column used for track tuning, then put on the rail connector. This way, the orbital plane will be smooth. Then solder is connected in series. Make sure there's no problem with the power supply. At this time, use a spacing ruler to measure the distance between the 2 tracks. Make sure the distance is maintained at 6 cm. Outside, use the conduction gear of the meter to ensure that the track of each section is a passage, and there are no short circuits. This way, the vehicle can pass smoothly. Finally, use hot melt adhesive to glue all the connections to the back of the bed. This ensures that everything is correct. It's foolproof. The next thing to do is the SmartSwitch plus APO, highlighting the installation demonstration nest of the Smart Motor Link. See you next time. Keep expanding your trajectory.